Hello and welcome to the Weather Hazard Briefing presented by National Weather Service Pocatello for Wednesday, June 22nd. Here's what you'll see in this presentation. We have high pressure that has established itself across eastern Idaho. So look for warmer temperatures with the abundant sunshine and a beautiful weather day today with light and variable winds. That will start to change though. As you can see by Thursday here, afternoon showers and thunderstorms do return. We are looking at just light isolated to scattered precipitation with breezy winds for Thursday and Friday. And that'll mostly be in the central Idaho mountains along the ridges, in the highlands, and then in the Snake River Plain in eastern Magic Valley. Temperatures will return to above normal during this time. However, we will, for the rest of the weekend, starting Friday afternoon, at least into Saturday, we will see cooler temperatures with the pushing through of a cold front there late Thursday. Afterwards, a heat dome reestablished itself across the western United States, and so we have a potential for temperatures getting 100 degrees and hotter during late June and into the early part of July. All right, here's a satellite image. You can see the high pressure, obviously, because of the lack of clouds. You can see some coastal fog and the blue shades along the coast here, but otherwise, pretty nice sunny day. Here's our weather risk outlook. You can see it's Thursday and Friday are the big focus, with most of it on Thursday. There is a slight chance of afternoon showers everywhere, and then except for the southeast highlands, they will start later. It'll be after 6 p.m., continue during the overnight hours. There's also a slight chance of thunderstorms for the South Hills, the southeast highlands, and the eastern highlands. And then in Lemhi County, there's a slight chance of afternoon showers. It looks like they will escape a thunderstorm threat, though. And then breezy conditions in the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and in the Lost River area. And Friday, it continues to be breezy in the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. And the slight chance of thunderstorms continues in these same locations: South Hills, Southeast Highlands, and the Eastern Highlands. And again, thunderstorms possible in the afternoon. See, Saturday stays somewhat dry after the front has passed, and then there's a slight chance of some afternoon showers on Sunday in the South Hills and Southeast Highlands. Doesn't amount to much, and there's no lightning expected with those. All right, so the rest of this briefing will just be a look really at the highest winds each day, the lowest afternoon humidity, and as you can see here, the hot afternoon highs. So here today you can see a lot of lower to middle 80s for the Snake River Plain, even Stanley getting up to 75. And afternoon relative humidities, you can see widespread areas in the lower elevations get below 15%. Here are the wind gusts for this evening. You can see it's all staying below 30 miles an hour with the exception of some isolated ridges in the central Idaho mountains. Okay, high temperatures on Thursday. This is the day that we get the return of some slight chance showers and thunderstorms. But you can see we still continue to warm, just not as much, but still widespread 80s for the entire lower elevations in the eastern Magic Valley and Snake River Plain. Even Stanley warms up 1 degree. And here you can see not as widespread below 15% afternoon relative humidities. He gets shrunk to the Arco Desert area with slight increases over the eastern Magic Valley. Here are the rainfall amounts. So you can see it's limited to the Idaho-Montana border region, and then the northern half of the Idaho-Wyoming border region, and then down along the border with Utah. And you can see it's all below 1/10 of an inch, and most of it below 5/100 of an inch. However, the winds do pick up for Thursday compared to Wednesday. We are looking, as you can see, gusts to 30 to 35 miles an hour over a large portion of the Snake River Plain and a lot of the ridges in the central Idaho mountains. And then there's even 35 to 40 miles an hour over a core portion in the Arco Desert. And here are the temperatures on Friday. You can see the cold front has passed through, like I said, probably during the evening on Thursday. And you can see it has its effect here with temperatures down a solid 6 to 10 degrees. And then the humidity, as you would expect, up at least slightly. The area below 15% is much less. It barely covers portions of the Idaho National Laboratory. And here's the total rainfall for the Thursday, Friday operation. You can see, even if you combine it all, it's still all below 500ths of an inch, pretty much. And the wind gusts, you can see it's more westerly on Friday, and it's considerably less. We're all back below 30 miles an hour. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.